Hey guys, it's Robsy, back with Paperless Humans. Welcome to episode 9 of this free Apple Reminders course. Lists are a collection of to-dos or tasks in Apple Reminders that you can edit even after you've created them. To do that, go to the three dots icon and then show list info so that you can rename the list. Or change its color and icon. Tap Done to save the changes. Sometimes you need to edit several to-dos at once. Under the three dots icon, go to Select Reminders and pick all the reminders you want to edit. Once selected, you can then change the date, time, repeat, and repeat of your to-dos. Then tap Apply to save those changes. You can also move the tasks to another list. Tap the folder icon and choose a list to move the reminders to. You can also delete your selected to-dos or do more actions under the three dots icon, which is to mark them as complete. Or you can mark all of them as incomplete if they're completed. You can also add tag or flag all the selected tasks. To arrange your tasks in the list, go to the three dots icon and sort by. Then choose from the available options for how you want your to-dos to be organized in the list. So this could be manual if you want to drag and rearrange the to-dos yourself. It can also be according to deadlines on these to-dos. Starting from either the earliest or latest first. You can also arrange them according to creation date, which arranges your to-dos according to when you added them to the list, starting from the oldest to-do to the newest, or vice versa. You can also arrange them according to priority, or according to title. in ascending or descending order. Apple Reminders can either show or hide your completed tasks. Go to the three dots icon, show completed if they are hidden, or hide completed to declutter your list. When you delete list under the three dots icon, it will delete all your to-dos in the list as well as the list itself. And that brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.